Finally, the grandest fashion night of the year is here. The Met Gala 2025 and our Indian celebrities have truly left a mark. From royal statements to emotional moments and high end couture, the event was nothing short of spectacular. So let's dive straight into the highlight of the evening, our Indian stars who stole the spotlight. The most awaited debut this year was undoubtedly Shah Rukh Khan. And yes, the moment is finally here. King Khan walked the Met Gala red carpet for the very first time, making history. SRK looked regal in an all-black bespoke ensemble designed by Sabyasachi Mukherjee and added a personal touch with a chain bearing the letter K, a tribute to his iconic title King Khan.
My designer Sabyasachi, he thought of it, and for him it's an expression of freedom and trying to be resolute and resilient against things that can oppress you. So the last 20 days I got to understand what it was, and being an actor, I thought it was very interesting how the resolve to change things without attrition or anger, but have exuberance of art in it. So that was marvelous.
But the event wasn't all smooth. A clip from the event went viral where a foreign media outlet shockingly failed to recognize the Bollywood star. One reporter even asked, "What's your name?" To which SRK smiled gracefully and replied, "I am Shah Rukh." Classy and calm as ever, his fans weren't so composed though. They took to social media to express outrage over the lack of awareness by international media, but SRK, as always, handled it like a king. Next up is beautiful Kiara Advani, who made her debut in the most breathtaking and emotional way possible. Kiara flaunted her baby bump, looking radiant in a custom gown by Gaurav Gupta. The gown, titled Brave Hearts, featured a gold sculpted breastplate, crystal detailing and ghungroos, symbolizing motherhood through two hearts connected by a chain umbilical cord. The audience was left in awe. Adding to the magic, Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara were spotted hand in hand ahead of the event. Walking through the streets of New York, fans couldn't get enough of their couple goals. One even commented, "Sid can wear a bed sheet and still look sexy. Kya aadmi hai yaar, now that's true love and swag." Then came another much awaited debut, the one and only Diljit Dosanjh, representing Punjab with pride. Diljit walked the carpet in a look inspired by Sir Bhupinder Singh, the Maharaja of Patiala, styled by Abhilasha Devnani and designed by Prabal Gurung. He wore an ivory and gold sherwani with a cape, detailed embroidery of peacocks, lotuses, Gurmukhi script and even a cape that depicted Punjab itself. While they couldn't get the Maharaja's original 1000 carat necklace from a museum, the jewelry house Gulecha stepped in to create a custom turban, brooch and regal pieces, bringing the grandeur of Indian royalty to New York. Power couple Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas returned to the Met with full force, serving nothing short of classic Hollywood glam. For their fifth joint appearance, Priyanka stunned in a polka dot suit dress designed by Olivier Rostering for Bellman, paired with a striking emerald necklace that light up the red carpet. Meanwhile, Nick kept it classy with a matching look that perfectly complemented hers. Together, they brought that timeless charm with a modern twist. And how can we forget our fashion industry giants? Designer Manish Malhotra walked the Met Gala carpet in a dramatic embroidered cape coat over a silk shirt and detailed tie, all a tribute to South Asian craftsmanship. His golden elephant subtly to Indian heritage. Fans online declared he served, and we totally agree. And last but not the least, designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee himself stunned in his own creation, representing Indian artists at the global level, showing that our designers are not just dressing the stars, they are stars in their own right. So from bold debuts to meaningful designs, the Met Gala 2025 proved that Indian fashion, emotion and storytelling are now firmly rooted in the global style narrative. Be it Kiara beautiful motherhood moment, Diljit's royal tribute or SRK's calm response to being unrecognized, every story spoke volumes. So tell us, which Indian celebrities' Met Gala look won your heart this year? Was it Shah Rukh Khan's royal black, Kiara's golden motherhood, Diljit's regal roots or Priyanka Nick's timeless glam? Drop your favorite in the comments below and let's celebrate Indian stars shining bright on the global stage. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more updates.